How to fix Safari can't open page because address is invalid. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if Safari shows that address is invalid, then try opening it in your Google Chrome browser. So if it works there, then there might be some issue with the Safari browser. Now to fix it, you'll need to go to settings and then scroll down, tap on apps, and then search for Safari. So tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom, and then you'll find advanced. Tap on it, and then there you'll see website data. Tap on it, and here you'll see remove all website data option. Tap on it and then tap on remove now. So this will help clear all the errors and glitches on Safari. And now if you try opening the address again, it might work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.